is where I am right now. I'm now 500 meters deep underground. Now 510. Now 520. I'm Xiyue with Xinhua News Agency. We are now in a copper mine in East China's Tongli city, where the deepest point is over 1,000 meters underground. Today, we are going to experience the life of a modern-day miner. So join us for a journey through the mine. The Dongguashan copper mine was built and put into operation in 1966. With its mining depths exceeding 1,000 meters, it is one of the deepest copper mines in Asia. In the past, the miners not only faced the challenges of dust and noise, but also the high temperature, especially in the summer. In 2020, the Dongguashan copper mine put the unmanned electric locomotive into use at 1,000 meters underground, so that the miners can stay away from the mine dust and get their work done in a comfortable air-conditioned room. We are now officially 1,000 meters under the ground. Here is the central control room of the copper mine. Behind, you can see a lot of screens displaying how the unmanned mining vehicles operate. So let's talk with the staff here to learn more about the high-tech facilities. 您能介绍一下有了这个无人驾驶系统以后，我们工作环境跟以前有什么不同？
因为我们开采的在地表以下的负1000米中段，有了这个无人驾驶以后，相对于我们以前来说，我们以前的环境温度啊，包括这个湿度啊，对我们工人的舒适度也好，疲劳度也好，都有相当的考验。像现在我们在这个中空室里面，不要在现场这个高温高湿的环境作业，那条件就改善很大。
It is the first time I've stayed so long and so deep beneath the ground. And I have to say, it is very exciting to see the development of high technology has brought so many changes to the copper mine and brought new life to this industry. I'm Xiyue with Xinhua News Agency. See you next time.